Hey y'all, how's everyone doing? I ended my last video on I think my towel fell off my hair while I was finishing my makeup. And then I had to run off to a meeting and it went off and I thought, you know, I don't have time to do part 4 or whatever this ends up being. So now I'm back. Well, and I'm going to have to add my lips back on. This is the all-day look of the CC cream. And I have to say, I do have a glowiness about me, and that was the point of this. It's Your Skin But Better CC cream and illumination. And so the difference in this and the regular, I think I have, yeah, I have this handy. This is the regular, and this is the new one with illumination. And you can see that's not sweat. There is a bit of illumination still on my skin, and that even includes, and by the way, both of these are fair, I think. No, this is light, this is fair. I probably should do light. I think the fair may have been a little too light. Maybe I should do light, because light is actually darker than fair. Fair is your lightest one, and then light I think adds in a little bit of brown, so it's more like a beige. I'm not feeling great about the Huda Beauty Overachiever concealer. I feel like it's too thick. It still looks crepey, and that was even after I set it with powder. And I'm gonna try it again tomorrow. I always feel like you need to give more than one chance to these kind of things. So this has been on all day long. My mascara did bleed down, and that's not a good sign for the concealer either, because even though the mascara is you know, it's not waterproof, it shouldn't have bled down like that. So here I go again, putting my lips back on, and that's how we're going to touch up. Putting my lips back on, set it with the this is the Chanel in Soft Rose, which y'all know, those of you who know me, is my favorite. And when you put the other end on, it sets it, it moisturizes it, and it makes it glossy. So when you do something like add this buxom to make it look like super sheen, it does break down the lip gloss a little bit. So I'm going to do on the lower edge and right in the middle, like that. And I am going, what was 2 things I wanted to tell y'all? Oh, I didn't do an unboxing, kind of on purpose, but then I thought, no, you should have at least told folks about it. And I finally got myself this Hermes Click Clack in beige, whatever the French name is, and gold. And I really like it. This to me is the color of my skin. And I've always wanted to get a Click Clack that wasn't, I have a black silver one that's really, really old, and it was it was not, you know, bought new or anything like that. This one's brand new, and this is my birthday present to me. So that's what that was. But I didn't do an unboxing. I guess I should. Should I go back and do an unboxing? Y'all let me know below. Anyway, so I thought I'd come back and instead of part 4 being continuing to put more on, it would be to touch up and kind of see where we are. And I feel like it's fine, except for under my eyes. What do y'all think? And it's funny because I got so hot today, my hair started curling after I straightened it. Now look at all the curls. And normally I would try to get these curls. Look, they're almost corkscrew curls, y'all. Look at that. And that. It's kind of pretty. Look at that one. And look at that one right there. That's all from sweating and being hot today. So, go figure. But anyway. It's so hot that my husband got nauseated today, y'all. He works outside in the elements some. So I'm going to go make some chicken salad. And because I'm low on everything, I was like out of celery, so I'm going to use a little touch of celery salt, pepper, regular garlic salt. Chop up some little onions and use some of my Duke's mayonnaise and put it on the croissants I got for earlier for breakfast. And I thought, let's make them for dinner. So we're going to have that and just a light non-hot dinner. So that's what we're going to do. By the way, one of the things I did want to tell y'all from this morning that, you know, I told y'all about my little birthday present. This was checkout for people. It's their birthday month. They have 3 options for you to pick something. And I picked the Moroccan box, and it's got the Moroccan oil, and this is the night body serum, the Moroccan Treatment Oil, which this is what I use when I think, maybe it's something else. No, this is it. I usually put like the size of a dime on my hand when my hair's still wet, rub it in, and just kind of start rubbing from the bottom up through my hair and make sure I get the tip ends real good. This I tried for the first time. It's the Hydrating Styling Cream. All these are obviously little sample sizes, but they go a long way. Especially this goes a long way, y'all. You don't use much at all. I feel like that might have to do with why my hair looks pretty decent today. I gotta tell you, because I showed y'all in the other videos just how gray. I mean, you can see how gray, except for my little fill-in powder. And I really, really like this. I love the smell. Oh my gosh, the smells amazing. Amazing. Like, it makes me want to go wash my hair again. That's how good this smells. Okay, so again, that's the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Styling Cream. And I think this is going to be my thing. So, I'm not even sure I need this. But you can use Moroccan oil on your cuticles, your hair, your skin. I've got dry spots on my skin, like I've got a real bad, I guess it's a form of eczema or something right here that's dry all the time. You can put it on that. Actually, I guess that's what this would be for. Firm and smooth. Firm and smooth night serum. It says to use at bedtime of your whole body. My body. I don't think that's going to fit. But anyway, I just thought I'd tell y'all all that and let you see me. Now that I've had a whole day with all this on, and this will be my kind of wrap-up video, but I got to go finish making a nice, cool breakfast dinner for my husband. So I love you guys, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye!